The ocean has always been a source of inspiration for artists. This guy is channeling his creativity to make the most stunning epoxy resin ocean tabletop. He's also incorporating a live edge wood piece. The end result is something you don't want to miss. Apply an acrylic-based resin. Epoxy should be poured in layers, especially if you want to create a depth effect and a nice tone of color. This has to be the most realistic resin tabletop ever. Multiple layers of color. Creating waves. Daydreaming about being at the beach. This table puts the art in arts and crafts. Creating waves with silicone. Such fine workmanship. The level of skill here is off the charts. Getting rid of air bubbles with a heat gun. It still needs work. Sanding, buffing, finishing. But it's so worth it. After all, good things take time. Raise your hands, whoever can't wait to see this finished. Wiping off and prepping the piece for the final step, which is polishing. Would you look at this? Unreal!